Hey, hey everybody. It's been a few days since I posted everything. Whatever. I got my reasons for that. But, okay, here we are. We are done. I'm almost going to have to change this to like gardening, BC gardening page. But no, I'm going to do some resin. So this week, because it's going to rain this week, and now I've finished these. So this was the big idea for the squash bed. It looks all right? I mean, I just put that plastic up there. I'm probably going to tear that down. I just wanted to get my squash cucumber amalgamation here. Didn't really work. It did not really work. Some of them definitely died. And the neighbor's dogs came over and got into my compost that was in there. Anyways, I like my neighbors, so Cheez-Its to that, but goddamn dogs. Okay, so this week I hope I will get to post some stuff about doing some resin. Again, this growing thing is this is also what I do, probably because I will sell some seedlings and some different types of plants. And you'll be seeing me resin my plants that don't work for sure, or some of the flowers that I grow. All right, so again, it's going to rain all week, so hopefully wherever you are, you're getting good weather. We are not going to get good weather, but yesterday it was 17 degrees. Can you believe? Oh, and I was watching this thing last night. Does anybody watch Wendy Goon on YouTube? So I'm watching this thing last night, and he did one on mystery float. I did not know that there was a mystery flesh pit. Google it. It's the creepiest thing. I thought it was sci-fi. Hopefully it is sci-fi, and my mind's still reeling, but you got to check it out. Mystery flesh pit. Okay, everybody, see ya.